In this training video, we're going to talk about how to set up your business credit profile with Equifax Commercial. By the end of this training, you're going to know the exact steps to establish a corporate credit profile for your EIN that's not linked to your social with Equifax Business. So how to get set up with Equifax? Well, most credit issuers and trade vendors report to D&B and Experian, not Equifax. So most of the time you're building business credit, you'll find a lot of credit issuers report to Dun & Bradstreet, a lot report to Experian, but not a lot of them report to Equifax. So because of this, when you get trade lines that do report to Equifax, you need to make sure you get approved for them. You need to make sure that you pay your bills on time or early to make sure that you establish good credit reports and good scores with Equifax. Now, many lenders pull Equifax commercial reports for lending decisions. So the way that we look at it is this. A lot of suppliers look at Dun & Bradstreet credit reports. A lot of credit issuers that issue revolving credit lines and revolving credit cards look at Experian. Equifax commercial is mostly used by lenders. So when it comes time to getting approved for loans, Equifax becomes very important. As a matter of fact, they're an essential part of the FICO small business score, the FICO SBSS score. And this is what's used by SBA. So if you want to get business loans, especially SBA loans, you really need to focus on building credit with Equifax. It's important that you do this when you can, because again, so few credit issuers report to them, but it's so vital that you establish credit with Equifax to be able to get the best chance of getting approved for loans. So we want to do a free search with Equifax to see if you have credit reporting with them now. And you can do so at creditsuite.com/reports. Now, this search is going to show you one of three outcomes. You're either going to pull up no records, meaning that they don't even know you exist. You're going to pull up your business credit profile, or you're going to pull up a business credit profile that says you have trade lines. And either of those cases, where if there's a trade lines reporting or if you have a profile with them, you're going to want to pull your actual business credit reports with them. And the reason for that is that it's possible for Equifax to give you a credit report at a failing score, even if you have no accounts reporting to them whatsoever. Meaning even if you have no accounts reporting to Equifax, no late payments, no derogatories, they will issue you a failing business credit score. And they do this because if they know your business name, your business address, and your industry classification code, or what's known as your NAICS code or SIC code, they will populate this report and score. So you need to know if you're established with them now and if you have trade lines reporting, which is why this free search at creditsuite.com/reports becomes so important. Now, if you want to establish some accounts that report to Equifax, look at some sources like Murphy USA or Wex Fleet. Even the gas station 76, all of them have accounts that report to Equifax and can help you with the establishment of your business credit. So feel free to learn more about building your business credit at creditsuite.com/tips. Or give us a ring at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. If you give us a ring, we're going to give you a free business credit consultation. What we do during that consultation is we search the reporting agencies to see if they know about you now. If you're set up and don't even know that you are, we're going to do a fundability analysis to look at the places like the Secretary of State that credit issuers look at and make sure that all your information is congruent so you can get approved for business credit. We're going to help you get your business credit reports for free, give you tips and tactics to build your business credit. We're also going to tell you exactly the funding you can get now, all the loans and credit lines that you may qualify for right now in your business that you don't even know about. So all of that happens with a free consultation that you can get by giving us a ring at 877-600-2487.